In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Minecraft username. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Xbox Gamer Tag. And then once you've done that successfully, you will see the first website, which is called How to Change Your Xbox Gamer Tag by Xbox Support. You want to click this link, and on this website you want to scroll down to where it says ways to change your gamer tag, and then on the web. You want to click this, and then click over here where it says choose your new gamer tag, okay? You want to press this, and you will then be asked to log in. As you can see, I'm logged in already over here, and then over here it says choose your new game tag. Xbox has expanded the range of possible gamer tags and languages. Now you can choose just about any name you want. If you like the gamer tag you have now, don't worry, it won't change if you don't want, and no one else can take it, okay? And then your new gamer tag is over here. So let's say my new gamer tag was now Instant How To, but I would like to rename it into Insta How To, okay? And let's say that's it. You then have to check availability. You click on check availability, and you will get a notification. As you can see, here's what your gamer tag will look like. So Instant How To, Xbox One console and Xbox apps, Xbox games that don't support, etc. Okay, and this will actually change your Minecraft username as well for the Bedrock edition of Minecraft. Okay, so keep in mind, if you're playing the Minecraft Bedrock edition, which is associated with your Xbox account, this is going to work for you perfectly. And then you want to click change gamer tag, and your gamer tag will be changed.